Hello, friends and followers. Here is the FL2 filter out of the B&W 6100 transmitter. So that filter is this little ominous one right here. And I couldn't tune this thing well while it was in the radio. I just couldn't reach the screws on it with what I had. So I pulled it out. That was a lot of work, but it came out and it's built well. It's got a cover on it. Really built well. Die-cast aluminum on the bottom part of it. It's built really well, really well. It's like military. Anyway, you tune it through there. So I have it now tracking on 9.2 megahertz, feeding 5 volts into it. So to feed 5 volts into it, I'm getting about a volt out. That's okay, yeah, no, that's pretty bad. So I'm only getting half a volt out of it. At 5 volts in, that's pretty bad. But I know half a volt will drive the rig. It really wants 2 volts. So this circuit here would need to deliver like 2 or 3 volts. I doubt it will do that. So anyway, how do we bolster this thing? I don't know. It seems like it's working somewhat. Anyway, here's the frequency response once I get it working here again. Of course, it fell on the floor. All right, scope's back on it. So if I crank up the gain here on the scope, and I vary the frequency a little bit, that's what we're gonna do, go just like that. It's got a pretty good little response to it. So it definitely will do 9.2. And I don't think it was adjusted that far off. So I probably shouldn't have mucked with it, but I figured someone got in there and screwed around with it. I don't know. There's 9.2. Go up a little bit to 9.3, 9.4. There's 9.4. I'll back it down toward 9.2. There, it's peaked about there. Take it down to like 8 point. Take it down to 9. So yeah, it's working. Guess I'll try and get it right smack on 9.2 if I can. It's pretty close. I'm not losing that much. Okay, so that's the situation on the filter. The real thing now would be, can I couple this thing into where it was and see if it will do anything? I bet it won't work, but let's try it. I'm going to couple it in now. Just solder it in there, tack it in there, and see what it does. All right, that's this video. Thanks for watching. Again, this is the FL2 out of the B&W 6100 transmitter. There's the FL2 right there. It takes the mixed output of sideband oscillator and the 3.2 to get 9.2, at least try to filter it, and throw it into the 9.2 amp. As you know, I injected 9.2 right here today and it worked pretty well. So this is definitely a problem, this stuff here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.